Hello and welcome. In this video, we're going to continue helping you get started using 360 by setting up the application through the Application Settings folder. If you go ahead and log in on your dashboard page, you can navigate to the Application Settings folder by selecting this icon on the top left. And in this video, we're going to talk specifically about some of the control items that plug into the Scheduling and Tracking module. So go ahead and select Schedules and Tracking, and we'll go from top to bottom here. Scheduling is something that pervades the entire system as we create jobs and assign workers, and we also create schedules. It's a very flexible scheduling system, but it does have some defaults and things that allow you to have a starting point. Specifically, as I go to the top here, you're able to enter into the system what your standard workday is. Now, again, remember, you can edit all of this when you're creating schedules, but it does have a default value that allows you to assign basic 8-hour shifts. So, or 7-hour shifts, or however your company operates. So you can put in here a default start time and an end time to the day. And then if you're scheduling over across multiple days, it will use these times as the default parameters. Again, remember, you can adjust this as you're scheduling, but this gives you a starting place. Moving down the page, excuse me, all of the scheduling, when you look at the schedule, you'll see that after you schedule items, that they are color-coded by their status in the system. So these are default colors that we've created, but if you use the 6-color code, which you can research online, or if you have a designer, you can do that, or you can consult with us and we can help you with this. But this just lets you control by color how these display in the schedule. So these are the statuses that we have. We have new, we have scheduled, which means that the job is there, but nothing has been tracked against it. This tells you that time has been logged. This fluorescent green is a nice one because it shows you when somebody's actually logged in to the job. So you can look through your entire scheduling grid and see who's on the job and who's not. Again, these are all changeable, all can be differentiated by color. Okay, defaults, some people track drive time against work time. Some people just do work time. So what this allows you to do is select which one is the default. When we demonstrate the field module to you and show you how to track time and labor, you will see there's an option when you're about to track time to assign it as work or drive. If you do track drive time, then you would want to assign drive as the default. If you do not, then just leave work as the default, and then they'll never have to switch it. So that's just a choice there. I'm going to leave this as default for work time. And then, do you want the ability to track labor by job item? Now, our jobs are set up so that you create jobs and you can have multiple items in there. So an item could be rough in, another item could be trim out, one could be demo. If you want to track your hours against these specific items within the job, then you would leave this as yes. If you just want to track work against the job in total, then you would hit no, and then it does not track time against specific job items. Okay, so this is the scheduling and tracking page. Again, once you've set the information in here, remember to save, and everything you put in will be stored. Thanks for listening, and we'll see you soon.